on San 13, that cattle gate to the front is broken. Approaching the truck now.
Copy, gauge this. Front is broken, approaching the truck.
He's taking off on us. White pickup truck. Boy 59751, boy.
Which truck?
He's heading out towards Old 99. We're in pursuit.
Officer's on.
Move, I'm gonna grapple him.
Which way on Old 99?
We're on Gibson, approaching Old 99.
Yeah, 3 units on the I-5 side.
Southbound Old 99, 6-7. If you can move out of the way, I can grapple him. Westbound 183rd, speeds of 70, roads are dry, east and oncoming. No traffic.
Continued westbound 183rd, speeds of 64, 67, I got traffic. Spikes, I got spikes ahead. There you go, 1213's got spikes on way here, overpass approaching case.
Spikes 183rd over, cross approaching case.
Continuing westbound, approaching township, speeds are 80. There you go, 1213 spikes, case 183rd.
Good spike, 183rd and chase.
Southbound Nutmeg. Got 3 K9s are in the pursuit.
K9's in the pursuit.
If you feel Bill, do not chase him. Let the dog get him. Oh, I want you to block off traffic so we don't get a T-bone collision if he comes through here.
Good grapple, good grapple.
Location?
18731 Nutmeg.
1873.
Stop traffic, he's footbailing, southbound Nutmeg. K9, go ahead.
31 Nutmeg, good trouble.
Stop traffic, he's footbailing,
Here! Clear the car, clear the car! I don't see him, track. Car's clear. Okay. Up to the right. Went to the right? Okay. Okay. What does he look like? All camo, okay. Brandon, let's slow down. Track him, I don't have anything. Huh? I can't. Do you want to track him, no? Manny, search him out. Search that bad guy out. Search that. Gunshot, gunshot. Gunshot. I got cover in the house.
County 1 out.
County 1.
Moving.
Let me pull forward a little bit. He sounds like he's just at an angle. You take the...
Yeah, I'm rifle. Yeah, pull forward just a bit.
Hey, Sarles. Sarles, turn your tops off. Hey, this is Thurston County Sheriff's Office. You are under arrest. Come out now with nothing in your hands. More units. He's saying he's got a gun. Keep your hands up. Hey, I got rifles, so. Hey, man, here's the deal. It's not too late for this to go good, all right? So just come out now with nothing in your hands. It's not too late, man.
Turn your overheads off.
It's not too late. I'm going to tell you right now, if you come out now with nothing in your hands, we will not use force against you. Just come out peacefully. County 1, I'm trying to negotiate with him, and he's making threats of shooting. Hey, man, don't pull the trigger. Just drop the gun, okay? Yeah. Just drop the gun and come out slowly, okay?
There he is. See him.
Yep.
Okay, Rod, just to your left.
Hey, man, don't, just drop the firearm and come out now with nothing in your hands.
Where is the laser, Ethan?
I don't see your laser. He's right where you're pointing.
Yep,
with
he's
your
right
light.
there.
Right behind those branches.
It's all right, man. Hey, we don't want to hurt you. County 1, still trying to negotiate. We're about 20 yards into the brush, and he's just making comments that if he lets go of the gun, he's going to pull the trigger. Just keep walking to the sound of my voice. Keep walking, all right? Keep walking. I need you to have nothing in your hands. I'm with you, man. I've been with you the whole time. Yep, we're not going to hurt you, but you have to come over here with nothing in your hands. I can get you some water. I can also get you some help. I'll get you some water, I'll get you some mental health help, and I'll get you some cigarettes. You just got to walk over here. It's okay, dude. Just keep walking toward me. You're going to be okay. Hey, keep the dog quiet for me, all right? Yep. Hey, man, we'll let you make whatever phone calls you need. All right? We'll take care of you. I just need to make sure there's nothing in your hands. Yeah, you're good, man. Just keep walking towards the sound of my voice. You're doing good. You're doing good, man. Right where the spotlight is, just walk toward that. I know, I hear you. You smoke cigarettes? I can't hear him, guys. You got to be quiet. You smoke cigarettes? You don't? Well, that's a good healthy choice. I was going to get you some if you needed one. Just water? I got tons of water for you. Absolutely. I can get you a couple bottles of water. I can get you a doctor, too. I just need you to come over here. All right. Perfect.
He says he needs an aid car.
An aid car? I have them staged for you. They're waiting down the street already. I already got you. Yep, I got you, dude. I know you need some help, so I got them waiting for you, okay? But they can only come over here once you've come over to me. All right. Hey, just keep focusing on me. You're good. I'll keep going with commands. I got some good rapport with him. Hey, you're good. Just keep walking towards me just like that, okay, Robert? You want to lay on your face? Yep. Hey, here's the deal. If you want to lay down just right there, that works for me, okay? Yep. Let's move.
We're moving.